Junie!
Yeah, so today is our third day in the Philippines, and yung nakaraang 2 days medyo na-spoiled tayo. Yeah, my cousin treated me with this. Nagpaano kami, eyelashes extensions. Oh my gosh, it's been years. Simulan, yung last time na nagpagawa ako ng ganito. So, ayan. Tinreat tayo ni cousin yan. And then my friend. Ayan. She did my hair. Ayan. Tinreat din ako. Inayos niya yung hair ko. So, ayan. I think we're looking better. We're looking a little better. And medyo hindi masyadong halata stress tayo na very slight. So, ayun yung plan namin for today. We're going to the mall and chill while everybody's at work. Yeah, kasi today is what? Wednesday? Yeah. So, nasa work sila later lahat. And then, pag uwi nila, magbabanding ulit sa gabi. So, for the meantime, it will be me and Yume who will explore the area. So, first time ko, nabanggit ko na ba? Yeah, first time ko dito sa lugar na to, here in Clark, Pampanga. And so far, oh gosh, ang ganda ng Clark and I love it here. So much. And ang daming 24-hour na mga restaurant. And then, meron akong nakita ring Jollibee na 24 hours and na-open. So, ayun. Ang ganda dito, guys. So far, I'm really loving the place. So, ayun. We will share our third day sa inyo, guys. With this Pogi baby, my baby boy, na sobrang nag-i-enjoy siya. Ayan. Ayan, panayang laro, panayang takbo, panayang ingay, panayang kain. So, ayan. See you later, guys. Cool tricycle. We're going to SM right now, and we're riding a tricycle. Ayan. First time ever ni Yume sumakay ng tricycle. Are you scared? Are you scared? No. Wow, so brave. Welcome to the Philippines. Hindi ko alam kung bakit siya medyo inantok sa biyahe, sa init, o sa kaba. Medyo inantok siya. Ayan siya. Hindi ko alam kung medyo kinakabahan siya, kaya siya nagkaganyan, or gisingin mo yun.
It's like I've been waiting. Every rule has a great day. The reason I gotta shut you out. Everyone looking now. I'm surrounded by your grace.
Yume. Hi guys! So we're now here in Chowking. Ayan, nag-order kami, magme-merienda kami ni Yume. And ang in-order ko dito sa Chowking is siopaw asado, bola-bola, halo-halo, at saka kay Yume is xiao fan. I think that's Chinese fried rice with with lumpiang Shanghai na toppings. So yun ang aming in-order, and it cost us 297 pesos. Ayan, magkano kami, merienda muna kami ni Yume. So we're waiting for our orders. So yeah, kakain muna kami, right? We're going to eat, right? And then we're going to the, where are we going? Play, yeah, new play dito sa SM, sa play area nila. So kakain muna kami. So ito yung orders namin, wala pa yung halo-halo. Ito yung kay Yume, fried rice with xiao fan with lumpiang Shanghai, and I ordered, ayan, Siopaw, asado, and bola-bola. Ayan. O, diba? I don't know if I can finish all of this, pero yan. And meron pa akong halo-halo na parating. Yan, tikman natin lahat. So, ayan. Waiting tayo sa halo-halo. And si Yume, ayan yung kanyang fried rice. Okay. Slowly. How's it? Good? You like it? Good. So, Yumi approved number 2. Number 1, yung Jollibee spaghetti, he like it. And now, yung Xiao Fan ng Xiaoqing, he like it also. Sarap. Very nice. Very nice. Ayan. So, dumating na yung aking halo-halo. Look, guys. Yum. Oh, I'm excited. Is it really? So, itong halo-halo, add-on, ano may tawag nila? So. Add-on siya, kasi may order ako. So, this is 59 pesos lang. Tapos yung siopaw na asado is 49 pesos. And then yung bola-bola is 70 pesos. And then yung fried rice ni Yume with Shanghai topping is 119 pesos. So, ayun siya. That's it, guys. From na-miss ko yung siopaw na may sauce. Yummy. Kain tayo. Kuniko. Pork. Super yummy. Okay, next. Try naman natin yung asado. So, meron na daw sauce sa loob. Yummy. Oniko. You want to try? Yes. You want to try? No. Okay, I will try this. Ooh, siopaw asado. In Japan, they have also like siopaw, but it doesn't have sauce. So, yun yung pagkakaiba. Tsaka syempre yung ano lang. Yung lasa. Yeah. Yummy, yummy. Eat mo lang yung rice. You want to try the ice cream? You want to try the ice cream? No? Good? Okay, you eat na your eat na your fried rice. Good? Bad? Bad. Good.
May pudding there. Okay, my pudding. Taste more. This is good. This one is good. Pudding.
Guys, ang galing ni Yume. Tignan nyo. Ang galing niya mag-target. Woohoo! Good job, baby! Wow! Woohoo! You're so good, my love. Galing ah! Oh, sorry. Sorry. Come here, baby. Yume, say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Yeah, so Yume will ride a carousel. Yume, are you excited? Are you nervous? Are you scared? Yume! Yume! He's riding a carousel. Bye.